And then the very last section of our letter, it says, we've come up with a lot of owner financing scenarios for you. We like owner financing because it makes the owner more money in the long run and saves you quite a bit on taxes. My offers are just suggestions, and I'm looking forward to hearing your thoughts. I wanted to give you an idea of how it could work with owner financing terms. As far as the cash offer, we request 45 days due diligence period, and we close in 90 days. Okay, so I kind of explain in the letter as well too, like why we're offering so many owner finance, offers as well. And so we have this sheet here that we give to the owners, as well as the share sheet, right? So we'll show them the valuation and how we came up with the money, and then like how they came up with the offer, and then we'll show them the cap rates and this kind of stuff as well too. And we'll send them this share sheet and this owner financing offer in order to get them to want to work with us, right? And then in the email that we send them, it's like, okay, here's the offer that we came up. This is just strictly like a couple of suggestions. Do you have time to either hop on a phone call or a Zoom meeting in order to go over this? Like Stacy prefers Zoom meeting. If you're interested, we can meet. And so typically during the day, I'm like doing a lot of Zoom meeting with owners is what I'm doing. Okay. So we have the info, we have the info offer, like the info input sheets. We have financing inputs, right, where we're inputting and doing the loan calculator for our offers. We have cash flow, right, where we can see kind of how much money we're making, stuff like this. Owner financing letter, right? And then we have the share sheet for the owner to share. And then we also have like essentially our valuation. So we can see like what our NOI is. If we buy it as is, this is the NOI, the value potential, if we bring it full, if we update it and increase the rates and any kind of updates that you need to do is all right here. We have the unit mix tab where we're looking at the units and seeing what, comparing the units to what they are to what they should be, right? And then we have the competition, right? So we're analyzing all the competition. And then these are all like, this is for onboarding. So this is like, once you put it under contract, we've got like checklists and things to do as well on our deal analyzer. So it's really like an all-in-one encompassing deal analyzer for us, like internally for our team to manage one deal. But I wanted to show this to you guys so that y'all had an idea of like how we analyze our deals in-house, right? And that's really how we do it. Now, you don't need this deal analyzer in order to analyze deals. You can analyze it on your own, just essentially doing the step-by-step process that I just showed, coming up with your inputs, right? Looking at your cash flow, coming up with an owner finance offer, looking at your valuations of your of your deal after you do all your inputs, looking at your unit mix, and looking at your competition. That is really how you analyze a deal. That's how you underwrite a deal. All right. So when somebody says I'm underwriting a deal right now, that's what they're doing. Okay.